pull it apart for you. Look at that. Absolute goodness.
I'm gonna spray a cookie sheet or aluminum foil, whichever you have right here. I'm just gonna spray that and then set it to the side. And then what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and take my string cheese. I'm gonna open up the string cheese and I'm going to take the string cheese. I'm gonna dip it into the egg first, get it nice and coated with the egg. And then I'm going to take it and dip it into the flour, get it nice and coated with the flour. And then I'm going to drop it back into the egg, coat it with more egg juice. And then I'm going to put it into the Flamin Hot Cheeto dust. Just coat it, get it nice and coated, and then put it on the cookie sheet. Then put it on the cookie sheet just like this. And I'm gonna do this with the rest of the slices. All right, so now that I have them covered with the Cheeto dust, I'm gonna put them in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. So after about 5 minutes, they should be done. Just take the sticks. Look at this. Look at the cheese. I'm about to pull it apart for you. Look at that. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.